kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share.
Hello, McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede. Ebusiafo. Me mama kwaba eba na nama McBrown me kitchen a koba wasie e waka mu ba bia epa bia ye tuko na de hia ne se McBrown's kitchen ye botae ne se ye bema obi biara ehunu aduane ye me pa chopi enne ye di agoro abedum rebina head bosia besi jaso awe because ye hu de de meko ne nchene ne ntosi beye ane enu ntina McBrown's kitchen wo ho no se woni fia obehwa e kire otimi hwe wo YouTube no was suya de ye bia na was sweat me aye bi we de agro ne adi o ba ye ka no kore McBrown's kitchen ediane pede ebusuafo se de munim no enne so ye nya hia idea na ye ba be no aduane me pa cho pinya botere ne hwe na ma me show yi me kitchen yi McBrown's kitchen hwe si ma me na ne so obese sua aduane a wonim ye no me say obi animade yo but obi a format nko and a different format so baba be see me pa chopi and then me ho ayefe pa me trase me ho aye me fa ankasa makono neat simple one hand what you say we left hand and then me tinu impact ankasa ne da so ekura me mu impact salon wo su ono aye me ti kama eno ani wo left and right manim makeup so dia me manim da wa te se ko bi po nam double road na won kokko no otu ani abon se da wo han edua bie siso ne sibreye ne da kami clear sanu manim tie na aligina draw me kama so aka won se makeup na da ye Alice me da se me pa chaw ene mata de if royal couture what ya se na ene evindo ye benu aduane ye be say didi inti nyonyo essentials ana nyonyo GH ena ema me ne me crew aduane honestly nyonyo ena me ni aduane bi me be ne me be di papa bi aniti so aduane inti no ena nko permit me okay thank you nyonyo na McBrown's kitchen abusuafo munim say ye billboard bebre wo krom bebre sisi krom e apple pie publicity adaroma ena o ma ya che me sa no ba bi asibia ye free man to ya hwe apple pie say na McBrown me show ye innovate a different cry you know they will promote me now so what me asua bibia free and notice how would you maybe I have a down mo ma me wate apple pie and sana La Palm Royal Beach Hotel but munim say me main sponsors there mean to me we show abra me jaw no high sense everyday prices for everyday people and sana tasty Tom more love and that's a good for you ye ma odian ye bebre so more jollof and a more royal feast and pa a more dead ya royal feast nice omega-3 sunflower oil and one e wojo so a de pa no ebusuafo and spices e wojo minazen spices ye wo different sort we will say different sort and a sort ye wo jollof fish beef and back on put the thing nutmeg and chicken and minazen e would just be market bi abenye biato but mama twa me home rasesia
Mama, we are coming home.
Honey, isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
No.
Me find what?
Ane.
No police.
No arrest.
No arrest.
No yet.
Madam. I better say who?
Oh.
Hey.
Your friend me Madam Hyson.
Bye. Ah, Anna people. Come on.
Any. Then I person where you can come. You were 1, you were 2, you were 3. Into our events apa. You were in charge. On your must get to go and you pay. Oh.
A 51st match, a coming 26th match. Bora Hisense showroom bia. Na kwajo king kon 1, 2 or 3. Madam Hisense, matete swa mamusei. What? Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say Daddy na mommy go don't go and go focus to baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and no na yes I trick in your mama. We will have chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. Baby, I would menazen food spices. What do you want to do here? So what to idea so we are doing will feel will be a baby do it and been sack. Na school feeding for years while I pay no we are on my feeling. Menazen will be any of his major customers. What is
Obia pade pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusua no me pe no bebre. Enu nti e ba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi dear bio na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use and rich tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu.
Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema also.
McBrown's kitchen, ediane pede. Ebusuafo, emre no anie. Ane do sabra even though you didn't come on no. Me stress obema wa adwen akọ aduane ne so ama me why because ne de ntia me tuka edi chini me stasi omu fie na omu enu aduane ma yehwe the fun of it ne se ebedi ye nkomo 1 2 bi mo hu say ye hia ase de ntia ni what ase but mo adwen ko aduane ne so ma me pa McBrown's kitchen aduane pede but me the headmaster in the whole show business, the headmaster in the comedy business. I mean, the headmaster of the comedy business. Ebi mu friend no Dada Kwakuba. Ebi mu see a friend no Derek Kwabena Boni. But who him see a friend no DKB. What you say? Dada Kwakuba, Derek Kwabena Boni, DKB. Yo, head mole. Oh, DKB. As a me woman, what's the camera on him? And oh,
I'm meeting a billboard.
What you know?
A song. By maybe a signpost.
We doing within a form one at Dafoman Stadium.
Ah, now I can say Moisha brain surgery that it's the work of God. And then also, me the better among phone poor. Because on me a TikTok.
But I thank God say o ma o ye tenten.
Yes.
Sister Nkawu. DKB.
Na. Me telephone says I'm ba. David I come here.
DKB na mfase bia mention.
I thought we were all dropping names.
Me dem mo be di ah.
I say o friend Dada Kwakuba.
Dada Kwakuba ayi kwada so sa na every me mate bia na nitiso.
Dada Kwakuba. So every big head is DKB. Who is John Domelo nitiso?
John also
Chaos no. In the chaos no was a reflecting light no. Into reducing it has a refractive.
Who do him John ba on some analyzing it there.
James Gardner tiso.
Hey.
Who's anybody? It's Kasemo. First nigga body anybody. Why don't you talk about the head again?
The head, talk about it.
I need support. Why are you scared to fall on you?
No. Me
balancing you.
Oh, Miss Nyamiama, 19 form.
The only song I don't like is Utiati. Because it's in NT.
Debbie,
David say you don't like the theater DKB. The point we are going now was so na be flat.
Oh no, is it me who the
theater?
Not it.
Who there you there? Jai can be from. Jai me can be muni jai.
Can you move? To me the only.
We say me can be muni jai. DKB. I was here for. Say I dey share here o. Ye di agro ye ni bi ho ye fast am share ye mu.
No.
Me so punchline or the mame.
Oh, me man.
Otimi boss man.
Unexpected.
Oh dear.
When I'm the only person who came to your house, I didn't even greet. I went straight to serve myself jollof.
Oh, tell there. Intin and me ton safre o he.
But no one madam you.
Say, brother, said already me fear na na your dem. Mame we Saudi no so be there.
Oh, they said McBrown's. I'm sure they were DKB McBlack. You will see what you can try.
All right.
Hands on. So
DKB na say abusuafo aye ready Ghana for hwe be bia wi asafa na nyina hwe McBrown's Kitchen #1 show.
Right.
Say ye na ye ba be no ade no ti no. Me de kai ba ofi.
Na be nia inkosua stew. Ene kokoyache. Na ye the rice are backing it up kakra.
Okay.
Yeah, so miensa no kokoyache rice ene you know friend unemployment mix. It has a Dumelo, James Gardner, Too Sweet Anam, the unemployed.
Not say a suja for aduan.
Yeah, it's for
because
bachelors.
the thing boy nyina no obi
they are all not married. You see, John Dumelo is so desperate to marry, say, a friend Nyoma proposing on the marriage, no, or no, the friend Nyoma wedding ring, no. I go to Instagram say, and that's how much he wants to marry. So when there or Teddy pa because only
na so when no back from the anyway no obemana
e back from but when she travels he has to come back and cook it.
John I think so was sending DKB no sort me out because the beauty be body.
Well I mean sorty there me no yabawu wallahi we go continue the thing wallahi
enya and o dey enya kitchen to wow inti ye be kwaduane ne so sia DKB Yembo niema ide ba be ye wo. Usidi ne the same. Unemployment
mix. Which is the brand na kasa ba ukomo fried plantain no.
Koko.
Which is the koko na yachi no. Yeah, it dinner kasa no yeah because of the purpose of this period no.
Okay.
Some for be kai aduane no.
Okay.
Into the two amount for my job dey kuku dem.
Okay.
Into koko na next slice na machi no. Me ti we a friend no amidu fries. Martina middle fries. The coconut and pay corruption. Also, one side, no, one side. Yeah, attacking both sides, attacking NDC,
NPP.
Yes.
Yeah, chiwi, I have a friend saying.
Martina middle fries.
Okay.
Because coconut both sides.
That's it. Over both party be
party. We NPP for solo, NDC for solo.
Hey.
Yes. Now, who's a Martina middle day now? Yeah, now say I'm on for your mouth, stroke, hypertension. Diabetes, second stage diabetes.
Into say the cocono, your name cocono, and
after his greatness. Into the share, there will be no form of corruption or nepotism in the plate.
Okay.
Yes.
You can only eat comfortably.
Yeah, eat comfortably. You know that you have paid taxes, everything clear.
You pay the comfortably and eat them.
And you want trouble.
Okay. Now.
It's a cocono and then the rice and then the stew.
And more. No,
yes, royal fish rice.
And then the 9C omega-3 sunflower.
I said, write a manifesto. You have to write. Even for instance, PVP cultural manifesto. But we knew, say, the results is going to end in 24611 carry.
Okay. And I taste it so dear. Tomato stew, egg stew, jollof, soup, and to be beer or the bekoye yembi. I taste it to is allowed. What the frakan wa utin.
Yes.
And I want tuna.
Yes, correct one.
Into an egg and tuna egg stew, aka unemployment mix.
Alongside Matlamidu fries. Yes. Okay. Yes. And a stew nankasa also no. Me call France no. The first person who made egg stew, no just stew. So.
Okay.
I didn't know where it came from. Let's not stop shooting, please. My career is involved. First person, no just.
Hey.
I'm saying, "Ibisa no stew now." Oh, let's stool the stew. Let's stool stew. That's a egg stew. Let's stool stew. Avec tous les mots africains, c'est combien? Je suis le mot. Avec tu. Obe kano kre.
Winim. I say a TV show.
Who wants some cat?
Because a bomber man to say free baby and I did him to Musa. To me control.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's do stew.
Let's do stew. The stools. In the studio, person the original stools on the way.
You still are me, mommy. Okay. When I have been there, I'm business. Maybe I can say all the plan.
Oh, yeah, I can say all that. No, it's not.
Martin, let's do stew. Okay. Right, your figure, I'm over French and why. Wow, let's do stew. And then, tomatoes,
yes.
Onion, no bell pepper, green pepper.
Yeah, green pepper, yes, exactly.
And then you want meko ankasa.
Yeah, meko red and then green.
Meko green your garlic.
Yeah, and the garlic.
And I first to egg into your egg.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, me pa chop here. Most I didn't be, Mr. I want to control myself. I want to concentrate on how you are going to make this food.
Exactly.
Pa chop here. Most I didn't be, Mr.
Matter.
And I first to DKB.
Yes.
Ya boba bibi, I'm menazin spices. Why your different types, your jollof, your minazin fish flavor, your minazin chicken flavor,
good,
and your minazin beef flavor.
Wow.
And your lion's nutmeg. So you know, we na person let's stew ni taste yeah. Choose the open.
And then there's lion nut.
Nutmeg.
Lion nutmeg.
Yes.
That's jata. Okay.
Okay. Into me pacho. Yeah, ready say yeah the diane no ebe shishas. Actually DKB na ebe yeah.
No support.
Anyway.
No. Very too much to come here.
All right. DKB so then I just started.
Yeah, I was saying near be check first. So she more out to say we know they are quick tempered.
Okay.
We know as a full soldiers and then we know me a delegate.
Okay.
So we deal with the delegates first. So I was saying near rice.
If you have the rice, no be
So I don't think you have cold pot yet. No.
You have cold pot.
No, I don't
McBrown's
think
kitchen. I have a bojamu.
I'm very sorry.
Hey, DK.
I'm sorry. I thought you were traditional.
I'm me yet traditional. Yes.
Yes.
And you were drawing in our hat. You were woman be our hat. So for phone and then yeah.
Correct.
Come on, stool no cram what's not so. And they can't for high sense, your product back on my sister.
Oh, it's high sense. You don't even need to measure it to measure for you.
High sense there.
Ah, sure.
Wake a crab, not just say. Oh, now, oh, Conisio crab.
More fearful. More fearful.
Intino. Media mono. Egum.
Okay, for good. We will say to me does because Too Sweet and James Gardner, a friend Niama, Dumelo, Rosalind Gisa, and DB. Rosalind Gisa is not my leader force in DB. It's for single people. Yes. It's for single people. Yeah, boss. Optimum. Optimum and trim yes, because in cinema, friends say high blood pressure.
Yes,
you also have to be very careful. So you sprinkle fans there.
Oh, that we went to the plastic leather.
When they have a very technological
kitchen.
Kitchen technology.
Technology kitchen. Maso. Bibia wa na ka se bibia bro.
Chelly.
McBrown's kitchen no.
Adrian Pede.
Yes.
McBrown's kitchen.
Adrian Pede.
McBrown's bedroom.
Atopa bia de.
Any McBrown's stool. Headmaster bia de. Headmaster bia.
No problem.
McBrown's stool, headmaster bia de. McBrown's to school be there. If you for
the oil me comes
yes, oil it should be I will say warm by now.
Okay.
Now all the tin tomatoes no.
Okay. A tasty tom no.
Tasty tom. Tin tomatoes back where holding any flavor. Yes.
Tasty tom.
Tasty
tom. Penu who McBrown. Difference between them the effect and the cap.
Fine. In fact, tasty McBrown.
Tasty tom McBrown.
Tasty McBrown tom.
They gave me by George. The effort when you're the other tea tomatoes.
Okay. And how the professionals, no man.
Oh, yes, yeah, be dear from me.
Oh, there. In Bema, more chibi dinner oil sprinkling a popia. Namu Johnny. Stand there and face the heat. This is what women go through.
Yeah,
yes. But face it, don't fear.
It is a tasty Tom. So, yeah.
Say I said, "Me no was
okay, because so in your back. You so cry in your back.
I mean,
Soon you be crying your back.
what's what I'm moving, sir?
Many so. Every idea back where what a can a one. I am taking for granted back on you. One said the DKB used to taste it on here. What Fabia, what Jebby, what Shannon, and no, I am pat. And there sometimes you taste it on my paste no, I am fanning I ye Jebby. But a big car, men jaw. I can't
because of oxidization.
Because of
any oxygen very reactive.
And
any oxygen very
reactive.
Yeah, rust.
Yes. For health and more. Yes. Mama, dear, so we are better tea. A good plastic, do now they are safe for you. Ever blended in.
Ever blended onion, pepper. Just a few dices because I mean you blend anyway. We are not in doom so era.
Blend the view and make out to say you channel get to work but we a bit blending because a high sense. Also what
high sense. Yes. The sense is high.
Very, very high.
Yeah, it doesn't have common sense. High sense.
Obi antu fa no ndiago.
There we do sashi mukura on.
I don't know here.
Be blend o sanyi.
Inti say no, me hwe tomato paste no.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Chikama.
Yes.
Wow.
So we see the no. If you.
You be see the no. I mean, you know how to take it.
Yeah. Yeah. Because the seeds, they are healthy, but they don't make the food look sexy. Imagine it.
Oh, but I can blend it and can wait to me. I blend it.
But not always. I do all day. But
okay.
I mean, if I can do that.
The kakrebi dada.
The seeds also.
Mostly, I now will be here. They are near we free.
But
you know, I format now will be.
Yes, but format now because there's a
now, a day, then I'll blend in Cecilia.
Yeah, and I may blending
ginger, bell pepper, and green pepper. No.
Yes.
And
pepper, yes, pepper.
I don't pepper.
Not much. Me normal, sir. Yeah, I'm not like those other male celebrities.
Oh, okay.
I'm a born again Christian who takes his church serious and wants to go to heaven.
Meko, Jane, any green pepper.
Yeah, and
garlic.
Just a few. The garlic is for good blood circulation.
Yeah.
When the blood circulates well,
and a woman for more.
Yeah, more. But I mean, you can't just be circulating like that. Yeah.
You can't be circulating like
that. Yeah, now circulating. Thank you very much.
Exactly. Yeah.
Blend them out. Yes, we should blend it.
Okay.
Let me remember. I can't come more France. The
onion, the pepper, the what?
Les becs, tous les choux, avec tous les mois, pepper, les choux. I think.
Okay. Maybe you.
Okay, this.
Maybe you DKB.
That fast?
Yes, my blend here.
Wow. Yeah, I would say Oshingum because take tomatoes no. I check fine, well enough.
No.
Oh.
DKB.
Yes, dear.
Minim say who go school say ka be agriculture.
Yeah.
Economy nya dey adara we jai agriculture ka. Even bet me abu economy.
No.
Really comedy achi. Comedy say we check answer no risk.
Oh, but Boboba, I mean, later on, if they had made me Minister of Agriculture, it would have been great. But as of now, no, nobody has approached me to ask if I want to occupy any position. Wow.
Maybe my paper so much. No, the day is now we agriculture. We pursue our level.
Oh, also level 100. I discover I submit my comedy. So, me discover you know, now, baby, I say. In your comedy, but also let me science student, like learned guy.
Memoir.
Okay, if you can.
into wood and the a seeds no tomato anymore.
Was it the seed in the long way, no, a bois, your fertility? What's it? Yeah,
I bet you can say DKB the chucha any abandon na preko. It's a meteor about agriculture.
Yes, indeed. Now me person make continue agriculture no ba. Me analysis be who say agric no. Me seniors no more graduating. Still mo go so nam campus. Edwuma ni because in Kukona no among kasa mo so how many can you get together before you get a farm?
Hey.
So they were on campus unemployed. And comedy no, I remember say na KSM yes show. Obi a try ticket 50 Ghana. It's 50 Ghana na. Or the 2,000 panye. 50,000 Ghana. 500 million. You know I'm Ghana, so at that moment I calculated it in my Ghana language. Well, 500 million just for a night. I'll be a fool. Oh, I'm a fool myself. Oh.
And I would be.
I was standing.
And I know when you say abedo. Say ko tenya kokon.
Oh yeah, and then chie preko na. Me say preko omuwe hin no. Preko kwa na. Yeah. Abu a ko farm no kwa no ma good morning. Oh me no get. Me ya no. Na boy che. Oh we did too much.
Hey, DKB.
Oh no, it's true.
Hey, you pass one call for what's say? What's say? What's say? Papa, you pass one call for one call nyango.
Na impontino. Uru afa no I say. Okay. I saw the omoka bi sa no.
Omu say.
That's a musical way. Woo!
What's
that? And then the bano. No, the about Jimmy. Jimmy also Jimmy. So farm animals are very annoying. Now akoko.
Akoko so.
Akoko.
Akoko dey say ja. You do what you so on fason onyane ya no fason dey say.
Oh, onyane o use but ura ne yard na which is open no. Baby, I'm boy one year pen. Yes. Ura honuma omonyomo let. What do you search for here? You use the word. You lay an egg. Nah. Obe, yeah. Who be this one? Who be this one? Nah. Who go find Koshiana? No. Give me on. The egg give me on. Give me on.
We are not seeing no. And then who crack it. Say, hey, you can wash it.
No, I see. I'm in doom look.
Remember they say I said brother, dike we jare no akwa be soft.
Yes, okay. So when you na me ba. Eja ne kakra.
Good. Now you brought down to the no bio.
Yes. So we're done with this. And we may dicing later.
Okay.
I will say a coffee way because we are spices. So I will say we representing and Sana Machego.
It is abre ye tuna no.
Yes.
Yeah, very
good.
Bibia wa bia ya ro ho that.
Correct. Yeah, ready to go.
Bubu kakra.
Bubu kakra.
Okay.
To reduce the surface area.
Okay.
People don't understand. We know surface area so.
Unimdi.
Me kati no.
Kati no so be ma no style bi.
Ampa. Who star?
Ediane no aho art.
Art is true.
Inti no se wa anye smart ya.
Ampa.
Eniama na odi aduane no obi betumi de aye. Na yete say fry esiesie no fefefe. Obi so betumi aye. Na yete say aye fry ne kura ne esiesie no. Na yese unya na won person be
Ampa. Because I had a light problem na obi tumi tena home light no doom. It be so to me buy my light no so yeah. Now, if you pass in the comment, you will affect your career.
Me, they make crowd, they make me confused.
Yeah, you have to be confused.
Me pass comment, me the coin. Yeah, you are doing no. Says you try you tuna no, and their costume, me
Yes.
Okay.
The tuna no, and don't pick a crabby woman will say.
But say you would channel ne gume be yemre. Say tuna we. No penu to try ni say ya. And to me here. Sabre. DKB amone so bini o. Kokona so ya yenden.
Yes. So kokono was like, I wanted it to be the last option. Me, the minimum than any apart. Like,
the last option.
One of the easiest.
Fancy way.
I just want people to feel like me, but this is very easy for me. I mean, like, I'm used to, I mean, I do spaghetti bolognese. Yeah, spaghetti bolognese. I served the Prime Minister of France. I served him spaghetti bolognese. Thank you very much.
Who are Pesa?
What's it?
Who is that? France, I go. Who are Pesa now?
Google.
What's it tuna ni bekum?
Yes, tuna bekum. What's that? Me pesa heat, you know.
Enkom ebekom di enkom muntem.
Ana.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
It's abe tuna ni eko.
Yes. So you push it with patience.
When my dear word you ani hu me hu sese a. On said dey uchi tasty tom no. Ama hu say wo the tomato paste cry aduane. Most of the time one say so the tomato paste aduane a. Eka na asa esa tare. But
tasty tom no.
That means format is so in your bag.
My formatting there is accepted worldwide.
Yes.
Accepted worldwide.
In your bag.
At all. Wow. It's a very good recipe for a lot of the single men out there to adopt and use. Calibos, you need to adopt this.
DKB.
Yes, dear.
Say me ko mbese me yi hakakama wa wie.
No me yeah. I say we don't some kick be on my no.
Okay.
Yes, and as an international cook, I don't play with my kicks.
All right.
Yes,
you don't play with your kicks.
Yes, a man kick. You say.
No, so no here.
Yes, what it taste, but won't be their taste, share.
Free.
Yes, a friend on looking.
Huh?
On looking.
On looking taste.
Yes, on looking.
Okay. Today I carry a fridge, mom.
Yes, exactly.
All right. Yeah, we are honest. That means DKB we do and where we are honest out.
Almost.
Now the fancy
70 to 75%.
Where we are honest. Yeah, share some McQuay. Who di begum meboa.
Yes.
Na man cake krono.
Yes, cake.
Na aka egg na bekom. And I will say green pepper and onion no so wide there.
Yes, and also ebeko right after the spices. Was when I parboil. It's parboil no. Egg being crazy. That's all kind of cow. Cow and has a give and take. Yes. So
Inti mekono be the stew ni mo.
Ebe them.
All right.
We no say no, the Oma is an independent candidate. Omo kan wa nyahwe, omo kan wo so forget.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You are right. Okay, you are right.
This is not true.
Okay, you are right. Nadi.
Yes, dear.
Well, drink wa how?
In the kitchen you have to lubricate your throat. Exactly.
Open there. Where apple na where multi-fruit.
Multi-fruit. I'm a multi guy.
Yeah.
Because comedian, scientist, international cook, and they're also very.
Yes.
Cheers to all the stews.
Me feel.
Very good.
In the sabre, I mean, eggs, you know.
Spices.
Aka spices. No?
Yes.
Right.
Spices. No, so, I'm a jollof fan, so I'll go for the spices.
The Minazen jollof flavor. Jollof rice.
Yes.
Flavor.
So you'll be eating stew, but you taste it jollof in your mind.
Yeah, that's 2-in-1 food.
Two-in-one food
in your mind.
Now, green pepper needs to kick you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, general so crunchy
also. Yes. So it's a lot of. Thank you very much.
Yes. Minazen spices. They will just so.
Yes.
Maybe fire Diana na. And when it dead no pie.
Yes. Minazen. Internationally.
I only say what tobacco no. But to me, I know a different sizes.
Okay, for the quantity.
Okay. And now when you cross a war, you will fear.
Yeah.
Tin be with fear. Who to pay. Plastic they be no do idea guminas because you soon na.
Okay, but I say a year there,
school feeding.
Yes.
A party.
Adoring.
Okay. We say tilapia for no so moon at the front nine so omega 3 sunflower oil no mu de totoa.
Bad. We omega 3 nkwan it me ma guinea fire soft.
Yes.
So ma ka kire wallahi.
Mu de totoa. Who say yes, Minazen fish flavor. It's baby I do it there. Yeah, the Minazen spices need go
Yes, stew.
Yes, nafi akame salt. You realize?
Yes.
So far, I haven't done salt.
And you know why I'm watching American here? Spices beyond salt kakrawum. Intino.
We reduce salt.
Now I can't no share every and will say. In tremu, and son out in Chinibia,
yes.
Or they are two.
Minazina, I really like. What's that? Aman.
I shamo.
I like
the two catamas so now.
I like cooking.
Me ma dear nafe, I do Cosiana so Diana Nessa.
Yes, Cosiano, most of you know, our peprena, Mudia pie Cosiano straight, and there are two. Then Cosiano, Bimu. Some of them, they are made up of friends and delta forces. To my pine because you're expecting because you're cream. Higher cream is black. That's I said, no.
And I say, oh, you know, because you say I could
go. Yes, because
the piano pie, ne pie, good share and son. And no crown pie. Your method be at the pie because you.
Yes.
You're nearly king. The way your friend king. So what the bombs are near king. Who dear gonna what about 10? Last one, what about 9? Last one about 9, 10. What you say 9?
Okay. For we do different in France. Show me how you do it in Ghana.
Oh, me cry there. Me boss really say. No my yeni say.
Just before you know.
Yes, me yeni say me who intend me yen.
Tout le monde.
But what you call shim? Man, say we be chemu mienu. Na egu for.
Because data force they move together. It's true.
You know. Yeah. 2-1 kakaba.
Ubia knows okay. Because you are part.
Yeah. And now we are also home because the answer and I mean some.
Very good. So, those of you guys watching,
there's no need to touch it.
Oh, baby, totally. Omo chewing gum. Come on, Royal Feast.
Namo
bye, totally. Totally. The no, no. Keep your kitchen clean.
DKB yenche kokon pekwa na say e betutwa we nu na free ho.
Mama nye salt we no share. I mean, check salt in this. So you have to get a uniform mixing before. So when you put it in your palm, some of you put a hand on your before. You don't do it like that.
Okay.
So you scoop like this. It needs a little salt, just a little. And some of you should use your tongues well. Use your tongue for tasting and for talking. We call it.
Ebusuafo, say me di French man here. Me diagara plane betu eja mo Paris. Iti ni aye say, ye be chi kokko no. Na ye twitwa je nene green pepper no agum DKB susunum. Also kosua ne dedem jai susunum.
But
susunum na me di bi me dia nene nya kono susunum. Na kosua no.
I don't know how you people do things in Ghana. It's very frustrating.
Frustrating ayate. Me di me dia o say me chiro say dedem one efe. Ya go commercial break ba beba no. Na emo na ready kokko no so ye chi. Na DKB twitwa de aka gum na say. Me nya hwi bi oje mu ye aduane no.
McBrown's kitchen.
Aduane pe de ye kwa basisi ha. Brim.
Mama, we are coming home.
Coming home? Honey, isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
No. Me find what? No police.
No arrest.
No arrest.
No yet.
Madam. I better say who?
Oh.
Hey.
Your friend me Madam Hyson.
Bye. Anna people. Come on.
Any, then I person where you can come. You were 1, you were 2, you were 3. Inti I want to answer pa.
You're in charge. On your mouth, get go and you're paying. Oh.
A 51st match, a coming 26th match. Bora Hisense showroom bia. Na kwajo king kon 1, 2 or 3. Madam Hisense, matete swa mamusei. Who? Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say Daddy na mommy go don't go and focus to baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and no na yes atweke ni nyina ma. We hwa I chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. Baby, I would menazen food spices. What do you wear any? Say what to and say we aduane wo fie wo bia e be do aduane and bensa. Na school feeding for ye kwale be di. No we are on my feeling. Menazen wo bia ni wo be my customers. What is?
Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusua no me pe no bebre. Enu ti e ba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi die bio na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use and rich tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom. Emediane yede. Eyema also. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede. Hey, nana McBrown. Me se mani ti e na nkodesu sa.
Sa?
Enu nti no na wo sa na wo ka wo bi ogana da.
Ka
say go bi wo kitchen wo ka mu a.
Debi.
Tu ko baby ye. Me ba wo fi a enya na me wura
Ka kitchen so catching.
Na catching. Ebusa boy e ba be didi ankasa. DKB honorable.
Yes.
AK headmaster.
International.
AK Dada Kwakuba.
Dada Kwakumimpe. Amanda ka dokunuba ache. Is Dada Kwakuba.
Dada Kwakuba ni come on. DKB waduane ni.
Yes.
I will still know. Smells good.
Yeah, you need to feel it.
Me the one your French is now.
Speak some of my French. Speak French. I dare you to speak French.
You dare me to speak French?
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Moi, je m'appelle Nana McBrown. Je suis Ghanéenne. Et puis, j'avais marié. Mon mari est monsieur Maxwell Mensa. Je t'aime trop beaucoup. Tu vois, je parle très bien le français.
Very good. You remind me of the time I went to French embassy.
Pourquoi tu fais ça? The fruit in the
nice one.
Melon and pineapple.
Yeah, that melon pine. Who slay fashion, who slay movies, who slay advert. See, normal kitchens who slay wakam. I slay French. Oh, je suis slay.
DKB.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
It's
a pleasure.
Same friend, I was a mechanic. It was a short notice.
Very.
But it was, Nana, anything for you. I thought it was a joke.
Yeah.
But Wababe no BBM, me Ebabe Didi. At the same time, Ghana for so said the mechanic say, McBrown's kitchen, ye emu pie, the garden, I'm gonna say. You ever made you and no I there. I mean, we are putting the joy back in cooking. One said about and the ye did ye beko ye. Intina yede car number biam.
Yes.
Share my but we can't do this show without our guest. What you say, Mama, any show. Sure. I appreciate him so much. Me my name is sponsors. Many tasty tone.
Correct.
Many 9C omega 3 sunflower. Many royal feast.
Sure.
And many minazin.
Correct.
At the same time, Hisense.
Hey.
Yeah, appreciate him so much. Intino, McBrown, me wa jag bi wa crew. DKBG.
Wow. McBrown's kitchen.
At the same time, or no. 9C omega 3 sunflower oil. Now we don't know ediane no. Me maubi.
Na sunflower no mo share flowers ano.
Na I can't sunflower more kind no.
Sunflower.
Oh yeah.
And I received it under the sun.
Omega 3 pa.
Oh, Papa, this
DKB.
but
Tasty tongue. Taste it on more jollof. Hey, chana cheche. Chana cheche.
Yeah, mo say I'm pie.
Taste it on. Just I need the other year. I need na me maobi. DKB.
Yes.
Ooh, royal feast. Hey, mean to me. Edish. Royal feast. Royal. Dada, go Cuba again. Hey, DKB. What about this? This high sense chopper. You strategy way. What about them? You so be a basin over. Some are meant to be dead. Now, spices now you see, you know. Minazen spices. Also, dear near. We used to jollof, but mama fish, mama chicken, mama beef, mama lion's nutmeg, mama t-shirt, mama apron. Whoa! Yeah, I'm gonna somebody carry. We are comedian, Ampa. Yeah, we are comedy. It's a so bad word, dear.
I'm emotional.
I'm intuition. Yes, I hope.
That's it.
Okay.
My only problem, with TV so.
With TV.
Say government is me and my hamper. And not me dream because some hamper say na government, but I be Jeffrey me same day baby.
Sabre so. Kokoni din design.
I mean the kwanza for Zafia lo. Kwanza let me I beg you. Amidu is not intentional. Please, Amidu. Amidu fries is my ripe plantain slices.
Mama sure what it. Na me more than DK can you bad though. Okay, John, I mean needing you. Yes. Alright.
Me sana ya jini.
Now yes me be you.
Me sa jini. Me sana ya se pamplo.
Whoa. Anyway.
Dabi nana.
Who did that?
Okay.
So, DKB.
Yes.
Yenim se ufida adangbe.
Mpope. Mpope.
Which
is pacho, yes.
Oh, okay. Na na unyini yana.
Minyini kakra o.
Unyini kakra o.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Na ubenyini di aka wen. Collego no. Wow.
Na Shatawale my family friend.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Collego Tuesday market.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So we go way back.
Way back.
Mitrino useless.
Now
we balance it.
Yenim komo kakra.
Yes.
Iti say ya.
Nana
waje comedy was so Ghana.
Nana.
Yeah.
It also serve me kakra mpo.
Now we say komo ya.
Na yedi komo na wudi mo.
Unim say Japan is a German over bank be our friend DKB.
Germany.
Tom.
Me balance train creative. DKB a Dutch credit bank is DKB.
Oh yeah.
My uncle. I show papa. Oh, the number 7 years. Oh, mini rough for Gamfio. My
small na kind.
Oh, small like pano come my jay. How many my come? And I don't mean so what is it? It is no. Me pesa. Oh, Nana, come on. Nana, come on, show me jay.
That kind of comedy. How do you feel?
I feel like I want rice right now. That's how I feel. Hey, mama, my money be here. Ow! Minister, hey! Is that how you treat your guests?
Can you know this, sir? We are.
That's how they going.
Maybe to see how man what did it?
But I'm sorry. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's some crazy.
Who near down?
Maybe. Hey, what's me, pal? I me your ex-boyfriend. Me a guy, pal. What's me?
Boame.
Hey.
Obeso dear Johnny. Vicky. Victory too, come on. Don't pay be a me yama waha. Don't pay be a me ye. That a Cuba. Someone,
mammy, trust selfie to prove evidence, media. Send a be you are. because I can't believe you are giving me all this. I can't believe it. Some of us are from humble beginnings. We only get this on the Zima.
Oh, save yourself.
But on a more serious note. Yeah, media. Wallahi.
Royal Feast, Tasty Tom, 9C oil.
Say
Minazen, High Sense.
Say me near Daninti.
So no aduane no so obegina obeno wa chair de foforo wa sa ma yasre ni ntwantro ene ya no aduane de ba yasre pa DKB on say adwuma ye ejiri say utu once my house pa
rough
DKB ntemra utu say Mrs. Rollins account was how did you feel?
I thought it was a joke. As in, oh, this issue, just get over it, it's nothing. But I didn't know, sir, certain things you say before you eat. I didn't know, sir, some people actually wanted me to be destroyed. So what Nana Kunedu said, they really took it in full scale and were trying to use it against me. I remember one presenter, radio presenter, he was on air with me and he asked me, said, so is this the end of DKB? I'm saying the fact that you've said, is this the end of DKB means you wish DKB will end. So please, this is the end of me. Nothing more, but the fact remains that a couple of months ago, you were on phone begging me for 7 tickets to my one-man show. So if you beg me for 7 tickets, and I gave you 7 tickets to your one-man show, which I know you are married. So if you are married, you won't beg for 7 tickets, you will beg for 2. So the other 5, I don't know who is accountable for, but anyway, I give you the ticket. Now you want my career to end. I was saying, oh, now DKB, I say, okay, they say, I hire a crown. No, I hire a bedroom. The bedroom the one that's here. So it was very painful that somebody will ask such a question because of Nana Kunedu's statement. So I blasted a radio presenter on air. Say, yeah, so my career has ended. So are you happy now? He said, no, I just wanted to know if you have the confidence to continue. Did Nana Kunedu break my legs?
No.
So her statement was bigger than I thought.
As I'm not crying, I showed you and I said, one for never.
I said anything too much. Sisiano, like I don't fear anything again. But like I said, what she said was very like a desire. Make bank. And I mean, I said a minister to the entourage now. In the right hand man who knows, oh, that's DKB, honorable, that's DKB. That's the guy's words. And to me, by the better honorable, now say, this is what the honorable said. DKB, is it the one that Kunedu said was boring? I was like, yeah. The one Kunedu said was boring. Oh, okay, cool. And then he left. Ujidi said, this man, in his 60th birthday, because said, let's make DKB MC it. He will allow it. Good. Yes. So,
unless the Serbia was who baby for.
Yes, and no crap on about doubting. Just like the case, was a judge comedy work and you have bread.
It is just a wow.
And it destroyed a lot of things.
But don't you? But how are waking up?
No. I've never slept. Okay. I've been the same me. Yeah, it never made me work hard. There's nothing to work hard. I'm the king. What's work hard again? Do the amount of work you must work for KSM to look at you and say, this guy is the new king. No, but me use me safety too.
Sure. DKB be comedy.
Yes.
Ghana ha. Say pa we wait to me the no want na say or a comedian na. Na ni ba je say effect exika wo mu say.
If I've been able I mean something if I've been able to audition comedians and now they are performing for some decent 1,000, 1,002, 1,005. You can't tell me comedy is a bad thing. These are guys I discovered who are making these amount of monies. Unemployment makes no because rice in the stew now kasa breakfast and I cook on the way a lunch into diboma. You just have to dilute your stomach till evening at that time. Yeah, so this is matinami do fries and I weigh
Someone can come, mommy.
So, guys,
Still no. Unemployment next.
Any adrenaline, you know.
I don't know.
Still no. Let's do stew.
Let's do stew.
Yeah, to eat and enjoy, must stand on the stew. Oh, I'm even on the stew. Thank you very much.
Wardrobe. Oh dear. DKB. Joe Bediani. Because that can be person who get in here.
Camera. It was a boom.
Camera.
But it's a same you know the
DKB 2018, then 2018, then I interview any body knew it.
This year, any meeting, I know.
It's general.
A trainer, TV shows, concerts, and a lot of things. So the first ever comedy TV show is going to happen. It's only for comedians. In the comedian bar, you explain, send on a joke. No? Thank you. That's how we do it in France. Les tomato, les swallow.
This year, over here, comedy show.
Yes. So there's going to be a comedy TV show out. It's called Comedy Express. So comedian no.
Maybe me buy banana.
Yes. Videos no one be brave. So performance no more no.
Did you know me akwa no koyam?
That be no count. No count. The best time for be useful for anything. No. So you record the performance which you were there. To be back, abedi performance no come up. Then we'll watch the performance. Because people don't really watch our performances a lot. So they say they buy TV so they will see what we've been doing.
Oh, okay. Any talent for Fra?
Yes.
Also.
Yeah, like some new guys and Warriors. Yes, yes. He's even with me, like at home. He's staying with me. I'm coaching him.
Oh, okay.
Your friend of Warriors. Yeah.
DKB said, "One show or then away." So one call ye comedy. I mean, I'm mostly.
I like staying indoors. If I'm not.
But the comedy thing, time and I'm in weekends.
Yeah, weekends. So weekday, no. I'm mostly indoors, surfing online. Content to all of. Sabi, I'm off with Jimmy Bread. Put me will be comment home.
Jimmy, comment.
So you have to pick it and add it. Because it's a comment somebody expressed, so it's an opinion. Into bar stage now, but car. Everybody will identify and everybody will laugh so hard because maybe it's something they've thought about.
Yeah.
But they've not had time to write it.
No,
so I surf a lot.
The last time I share, you know. Now so any girlfriend. When you be?
You see, the thing is, I don't have a girlfriend, but girls have me.
You have you on their phones and I say.
Some have me in their kitchen wardrobe, some in their shoe back pockets.
Into any girlfriend. Don't worry. So.
I'm not married. I'm not, but.
And I want you occupied. So.
I'm occupied.
Serious one.
Oh yeah. Because
on the memo no.
It's a member of the other.
They be say me so called Big Brother no bo.
That's Big Brother. On you, my girl. Me no more baby. Why be show me naked? Because I'm a person. Why you me mommy? What's about my son? Oh, how much can I face a month?
Where they know from? Na me MC.
Me say me where they know MC's Big Brother Bruce no. Into who buy champagne pop and other cake cutting.
MC me met me a plan. I where they met me a plan for.
Me say me name say Usa planner or mason or mechanic. Like I know you do a lot of things.
Maybe Ghana. They give your last word. Who to Ghana for?
Yeah.
Then I wait to me. I can't show more be here because only one I know respect no matter what.
Right. Hello, Ghana people. My name is DKB, Africa Weather. I'm telling you only one thing. This show is the show where you are eat food on the TV. You look at the food eating and then you are make satisfied.
Yeah. DKB. Only on McBrown's kitchen.
Only on McBrown's. So, Ghana people, want to know and enjoy the food. If I'm eating, you are getting satisfied. Can't you feel it? You are feeling it. Oh,
wow.
Watch McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you, DKB.
Support Ghana comedy. And buy ticket to our show.
Yeah, no
2 months of free ticket. This is no.
Me cry say me ba me man free ticket bill.
Oh, the member by force. McBrown's Kitchen. You don't pay there.
Obama me ho. I was for McBrown's Kitchen. Ya no aduane na ye sere. Na ye say sua bibia frim. Eno ano no. Me do bibia se. Say wunya tre. E hwe show yi ma me. Na me nim say wasua bibia frim. And so madam aboafo ase. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom. Tasty Tom. The only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Tasty Tom, good for you.
Fiber woman. That's good for health. That's very good. Wow.
Royal Feast, Madame was say. Royal Feast makes every meal special. Anna, 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. Aye, and no naba. A fiamba so ena ye di. Me pacho spices. Share. Minazen. What you say simple slang and kakrama me. Minazen. What you say mazen in siki. You got me. And no one. I was your for me the munina say someone support McBrown's Kitchen. Na ye gusu aye nyini ye kopa. Na one say bibia mu no oba de wa hu sie hia o kasa wo bibia ye wode ane no aso hia. Na ene me wan ye fa pa phone. Na ko Instagram se sia ahwehwe Impact Salon. Omo wo su omo be Lara Mat. Ompe me drink say your fe. Momu nye bi ma fe. Anna Aligina Makeover Instagram or hobe your makeup kama. Matade fi Royal Couture madam wan say. And then mama bright kitchen help. Colorful. My oba ne oba no kunu na adwuma. Omo pama dia.
Na have many X.
Oh no, correct. Oh, if you Royal Couture pet me pacho. We are wedding engagement. The we be ahwehwe nyonyo GH. Instagram nyonyo GH be yaba. Go through pictures no. Me can dey no want me show you. Wow, be say yes. Anna, and nessa wonnam and cry. Who say McBrown's Kitchen, me wo billboard, and wo baby, a crown more rich, spinters. Yeah, but by your bedroom baby, I come say about enterprise. A apple pie publicity, and a ye mammy. Oh, we a chair me quack, won't it so mam say, who? What I say? Apple pie for Madame Wase. Branding, there will be a printing on Bayama. She show me so on Instagram, come. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Madame Wase pass, I'm support to McBrown's Kitchen. And McBrown's Kitchen, your YouTube. Your YouTube, it is a no. Why am I to beginning now? Over to me, repeat you home. Oh, YouTube. Come on. Ube who me so Instagram, I am Amma McBrown. And at Facebook, I official Nana McBrown. Me sponsors in so social media. Me patch on my share now transcend. Me sremo mama 4 o'clock Sunday no. And number phones for lamb and kaimo. I'm share McBrown's Kitchen money. It's a money wa me ho. Me da mo ase. E bi bia hwe me fu bia nya me hia. Me no so was here maybe. McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pay. McBrown's Kitchen. Amrina so. To my niggas, the realest people. Brimers. And you brim. Be real and make you money. God will bless you. See you. Nana McBrown, Makramo. DKB.
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.